Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're looking at the Anker USB-C to USB 3 cable. So this is a 10 foot or 3 meters USB-C to USB-A 3.0 cable. It's called the Powerline. Is it called the Powerline? Yes. Powerline USB-C to USB 3.0 10 foot cable. I was expecting it to be a lot bigger and a lot more cable, but this is 10 foot. And the purpose of this cable, for me at least, is to use it with the Oculus Quest VR headset. So Oculus have allowed Quest owners the ability to link their portable standalone headset, VR headset, to the PC. So if you've got a PCVR machine that's fully equipped and ready to go, and you haven't yet bought an Oculus Rift, and you've got a Quest, you can actually now use the Quest on your PC and play PCVR games and apps on this portable standalone using this cable. It's one of the recommended cables from Anker by Oculus, who said that this is what they recommend. Being 10 foot or 3 meters, this is just enough to give you a bit of leg room to move about a small space, and you would connect this end to your PC USB-C port, and you basically plug this in on this side and then have this running down, and then you're tethered to your machine as you play PCVR games. So unfortunately this sticks out a bit, but you can probably buy an elbow angled USB cable and then route it. It comes with this little Velcro to keep the cable together, but you could actually repurpose that and actually have it wrap itself back and over the strap, and just to keep it a little bit out of way, or you could actually attach it to the top strap here as well. That's also an option, and then have it run back down there and then down the back of your neck, so that's not too bad. I've tested it out and it works perfectly, just like the other cable that they sent us, which is a little bit shorter. It was only like about just over, it's 6 foot, whatever that is in meters. So that was a bit too short, and I was almost getting dragged like a toddler on the reins from the PC, and I'm looking forward to using this a lot more with a bit more freedom on the Quest and PC VR games. So if you're looking for a solid cable, it's very chunky, but this is definitely up for some punishment. And if you're looking for a Oculus Link cable to connect to your Quest, or just generally a long cable to charge or connect to a USB-C device, check out this Anker Powerline cable. It should hopefully sort you out. So look out for our review on CarPlayLife.com, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.